If I tell you that there is a training program which will provide you guaranteed internship up to 70,000 per month stipend, and that too absolutely free, no charges before selection, in training or after training, after even getting selected, absolutely free. So what will you say? You will say you are lying, it is not possible sir, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, it is not possible. Let me surprise you that it is possible. There is a program called Embark by Appraised. Before we move on to talking about Embark program, I'm here to make a humble request, like please like the video and help us reach as many students as possible. We are targeting at least 250 likes for this video, so please like the video and help us reach more and more students. Apart from this, we have also created a WhatsApp group. You will find the link in the description to resolve all your queries regarding this Embark program. So you can definitely join that group and ask all your questions with the team members, admins there. Appraised is a company which prepare professionals to apply for product management role at top companies. Last year they launched an internship preparation program called Embark for college students. This year they are also taking enrollments for it. Let's look at what is Embark program all about. Internship at India's most desirable companies. Let's look at some features of Embark. It provides you guaranteed internship in top companies after completion of their training period. Best in class stipend, you will get a stipend in the range of 15,000 to 70,000 per month. It can be more than that as well, but it will not be less than 15,000. You can also get an opportunity to lend a full-time offer. As you know, there are PPOs for internships. You will become part of an exclusive club. There are 6,000 colleges in India, BTech and other graduations. So you will become part of this. Many students complain that they don't get good peers. So you will get that opportunity here. There is a 6 weeks immersive learning program. It is part-time. You can also study along with your college. There will be only 1 hour per day need of you to study. So you can study with your college as well. So there is no concern like that. 6 weeks of hands-on training for preparation, interview preparation, tools and projects will be provided to you. You will get mentorship from industry leader. As you can see, the partners of Appraised are like Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder of Paytm, Meesho's founder, and Tanmay Bhatt, Ankur Varikusai. They will take live or recorded sessions with you. There are 5 roles offered in this program that you can select out of these 5 roles of what kind of internship you want. First is a product management or growth hacker role. You will be getting APM intern, associate product managers. Second is design. If you are interested in UI UX, you can apply for that. Third is people operations, managing people, conducting some marketing or promotional activities for companies. So it's a very detailed profile. You can definitely click on this, learn more and read more about each of these roles. I'm just giving you a one-line brief. Next is business operations. In this you have to execute the business strategy of a company. You will get good operations intern kind of role here, so definitely look more. Next is analytics. As you all know, analytics is becoming very important, so you will be interning in the business analytics section if you want to make a career in companies like ZS, Mu Sigma, or why not these companies in which you will get intern. Okay, these are the 5 major roles. Now we talk about the eligibility criteria. For engineers, only third year and final year students can apply, because third year students will get they will get internship in summer of 2022, June, July, 2-3 months internship they will get, and final year students can get internship for 6 months from Jan to count 6 months wahan tak. Okay, so all the students from first year and second year, that is 2024 and 25 batch, you are not eligible for it, but you can give the ESAT, all the tests that we are going to talk about for practice, so that when you become eligible next year, you will be ready for it. For other students, also mentioned MBA, art and commerce, design. So we are an engineering community, so we are only taking that. So how does this work? Some timeline let's discuss. You have to register for it. Last date of registration is October 14th, which is tomorrow. I am recording on 13th of October, so please do ASAP. Then you have to take a ESET round 1 to 3 to get selected. That is on October 17, 10:30 AM. We will talk about more in this. After 3 rounds of selection, there are 3 rounds. First is ESAT, second, third, depend on which role you select. We will talk about it as well. You will get trained in November to December. 6 week training will be provided to you. As I told you, you have to just commit 1 hour per day. So there is no, it's not very heavy that you have to leave your college or studies, etc. There's nothing like that. And from December onwards, they will start referring you to top companies, interviews, etc. Until and unless you don't get selected. So let's talk about ESAT. Embark skill assessment test. There are 3 rounds to it. First round is common to all. You have to test on aptitude. Next 2 rounds are domain specific, which skill track, career track you are going to choose, like design or business operation, etc. So it will be according to that. In round 1, your aptitude and communication in English will be tested. For mock test, they are providing mock test daily at 6 p.m. you can attempt. So on the basis of mock test, we can tell there are 4 sections. Each section has some sectional time limit of 7 minutes and 30 seconds. There are 5 to 6 questions in each section. So sections are based on mostly communication, English, reasoning, some data interpretations. These kind of different sections are here. You can definitely prepare for them. I have added a link in the description which takes to the Notion provided by Appraise, how to prepare. There are some notes, there are some study material that you can follow. So this test will be conducted on October 17, 10:30 a.m. Along with this, we have to generate your exam pass. Let's look at that. It is quite complicated, somewhat complicated. First, you have to upload your latest picture. So you have to upload a proper professional photo, not some selfie of Instagram. Okay. Second, you have to upload a copy of your 10th mark sheet. So it is needed for verification of your age, your either your pass out, your birth date, etc. 10th mark sheet is a proof of birth date, I think. So it is needed for that. If you don't have, then you can also upload your 12th mark sheet or diploma, which is written here. Next, you have to provide your LinkedIn profile. So make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. You can also not supply. Rest of the details are like what is your name, which program you are enrolled for, college, graduation year, degree, etc. is possible here, and there are some terms and condition acceptance. So this is a very simple sign up. Test is on 10:30 a.m. 17th October. If you have any further queries, you can ask us in the comment section. Now let's talk about how you can prepare for ESET Embark Skill Assessment Test. So as they have mentioned, like this is in the moment test, you don't have to do so much preparation, but there is a Notion link provided by them in their Telegram channel, so you can look at that. Link is added in the description. So all the topic which will be covered, some material is given on them. You can definitely look at the like data drivenness, and you can just go through this page, read some simple questions. You can also give these daily mock tests which is provided by them, which is at the same pattern of ESET is going to be. So you can just see in the dashboard right now in the screen that there is a daily test happening at 6 to 6:30 p.m. So it will happen for last 2 times, today 13th of October and tomorrow 14th of October, because 14th of October is the last date to register for Embark. So if you also ask me what is the difficulty level, I think it is slightly difficult from medium to high level. You can also take reference of CAT level, so it is slightly more difficult or equivalent. Please don't get offended, CAT people, right? It's slightly more difficult than the CAT level. So for the preparation, just go through all the Notion pages that I have already shared with you. Apart from this, give mock test whenever you get chance, today and tomorrow. I think that will be enough. If you want to practice more, you can go and practice some previous year questions, some previous year paper of CAT, and get an idea how it is going to be. Don't put in too much effort. If you have some good reasoning ability, good aptitude, you will definitely sail through it. So last year this Embark program was only for APM intern, associate product manager. So you can see the alumni of that, where those students got placed. This student placed at Expedia, Jupiter, Appraise itself, and you can see the names of all the students which are available here. Okay, so you can check the, get an idea, like they have reach in lots of companies, so they can definitely refer you. All these are the top startups, especially product startups of India or MNC as well. So I think similar response will also achieve this year as well. Now we move on to the frequently asked question. There are so many questions asked by students in the comment section, Telegram, etc. to us in WhatsApp group. You will see a FAQ section in the bottom of this Appraised Embark program, so you can definitely look at it, like who can register. I have told you 2023 batch and 22 can apply, 24 and 25 can participate for practice. Okay, and what more, how many number of students will be selected? There is a seat of, they are taking of 300 students, but they have mentioned that they can take beyond it as well, like 320, 50 as well, if they find good candidates. Okay, can I appear if I am selected? So all these things you can read here. What is the prerequisites? Nothing much. Where can I generate exam pass? I have already told you how to generate the exam pass. Registrations, all the things are mentioned. I have covered most of it. Selection process, there will be 3 rounds. First will be the ESAT, then there will 2 more rounds. I think second they must be giving you some task related to it. Third it will be interview. I'm just guessing, like they haven't disclosed it yet, so please don't go by my word. Okay. Will my CGPA have any weightage? They have said no, it will have no weightage, only a ESAT score will be taken. Why information around your education? Because they need to have some background of yours so that they can map them to correct career tracks. How many candidates? I have told you how to select for each. So there are 3 rounds, okay, which will be concluded by November itself, because their 6-week training will start then. Appear in the test, so you have to do with the help of a laptop or a desktop. You have a functional microphone and a camera as well, because it will be a proctored test, so make sure you have all those things to 10:30 a.m. So once the test is started, it will not pause or resume at a later time, so please make sure you have everything set up. You have to start at designated time, you cannot start at any other time. You cannot take multiple tests, okay, you can only take one test. Okay, mobile device, cannot do from a mobile device. What are the dates? Yeah, so date of round 1 is October 17, round 2 will be October 19 to 23, and round 3 will be 24 to 26. So you can see by last week of October everything will be wrapped up and you must be getting your admit roll. Okay, so now most important fees, that there is no registration fee, there is no training fee, there is no ISU model like when you get job etc, there is no fee. Now you will ask, sir, why Appraise is doing it for free, what are they getting? So when they how this industry works is like, when Appraise refer you to a company, let's say they refer you to Paytm and you get an internship at Paytm of let's say 40,000 per month. So what Paytm will do, Paytm will pay this Appraise company an equivalent of 1 month of your salary, like you are getting 40,000, so they will pay 40,000 to your Appraised, okay, not yours. Appraise company will get 1 month of your stipend. So this is how this model works. So they will be making like 50,000, 60,000, 20,000, 30,000 per student. That's why they are not charging you. So don't worry about it. Like it's a anything you. So don't think about that they have something to hide or they are not telling you everything. Don't worry about it. They have a different business model. Internship guarantee, do all of us get scholarship? Like it's free. What will be the stipend range is mentioned from 15 to 70,000. So your internship offer will not be revoked. Like these companies, student ask these kind of question in these kind of programs, like will the company fire me after taking me for a few months? Like these companies are serious companies. They invest a lot of resources to evaluate candidates. Their team members, the team managers and team members, they put in a lot of time. So they will not do this kind of fraud or forgery kind of things. If they have hired you, they will keep you throughout the duration. You can only leave by yourself or if you break their discipline code of conduct etc. Okay. So all these FAQs I have covered. Partner companies, there are a lot of companies this year and etc. All more companies will come. Career tracks, 5 tracks I have told you. You will get some idea from them which track to choose, how many candidates will be selected. So there is no fixed number they have mentioned. You can see the alumni section, 6 weeks training. So you can also have more queries. You can check this section. So it's a simple training, 6 weeks training, recorded or live session will be provided to you. It will be reviewed. Some assignments must be there. So standard training process of any good quality program. Okay. Can I get selected for multiple tracks? No, they have said one only. Can I appear in interview of multiple company? Yes, definitely, until you don't get selected. What is the duration? 6 months for 22 batch and 2 months for 23 batch. Okay, so this is everything that you need to know in order to know about this Abreast program. So please definitely go apply right now, register. You will find the link in the description, because last date to register is tomorrow, 14th of October. Test is on 17th of October. So you need at least 3-4 days to prepare for it. If you have any more query, you can comment us in the comment section, or you can join a Tathastu Embark support WhatsApp group, which we have added in description. You can ask any query, anything, etc. Also, there will be no cheating, like we will not be sharing any answers, any support to anyone. A lot of students tell me, sir, please provide answers, please solve my questions. So that is not going to happen. It is just to give some basic general queries about this program. If you have some query, then we will resolve it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel. We will continue to create this kind of content for you.